We're getting ready to go spray our pastures today with our Texas Pasture Plus fertilizer system. We're getting our water in our tank. We're only doing about 4 acres of a pasture today, but we're going to show you just how easy it is and how little of this stuff that you use per acre. So this is our 15-10-5 foliar feed. And 32 ounces. That's all you need for 1 acre. That's it. So since we're doing 4 acres, we're going to go ahead and finish up here and put 2 of these in. Now with this 15-10-5, you need to make sure that you have an active growing plant. So a lot of our cool season grasses are starting to wake up. And so we're going to go ahead and give them some plant food this early. And then whenever our summer grasses start kicking in, we'll do it again. So that right there is enough for 4 acres. So now what we're going to add our organic. This has got all the microbes in it. It's got, so it's made up of cow manure, chicken litter, fish emulsion, seaweed, and like over 100 strands of microbes. Oh, it's still, yeah. So one more jug of that. And there's enough for 4 acres for that. So this is actually a root feed. Is what that right there is for. So it actually gets into the soil and does its thing. Now this is our calcium. This is basically liquid lime is what it is. So we know our pasture is a little bit low on pH. So same rate. So it's made really easy. Same rate with everything. 32 ounces to the acre. And it will run about $17 an acre is what you're putting on per product. So we're going to go ahead and do one more. So that right there is all we need for 4 acres of our pasture. The only thing we need to add right now is a little bit of surfactant for the 15-10-5. So let's get our surfactant. Firm believers of the SureTech. It seems to do a whole lot better even in cooler temps. So we only need about 8 ounces because we're only running about 80 gallons of water. You only need 8 ounces per 100. So that's it right there. That's everything. If you needed to spray herbicides, you can add your herbicides in with this and do it all at one time. The only one that we have found that we have to really pay attention to is anything pertaining to 2,4-D. 2,4-D and this 15-10-5 wants to gel. So as long as you use, I think it was LV6, we was able to spray our 2,4-D last year, all of this in one pass. So we're getting pretty close to having enough water. But that's it. That's how easy it is to feed both your pasture and our hay ground. We put this on our hay ground. and we have seen significant upticks in tonnage per acre. So we've seen as much as 40 bales to the acre on one cutting alone. So if you're interested in Texas Pasture Plus or any other products we carry, feel free to get a hold of us.